Hey, look at there. The drain is being clogged.
Yeah, it's been clogged by bundong. That's why the water didn't flow smoothly.
I think we should take the bundong from the drain.
Why don't we make it to paper bag? Because there were so many of it.
I like that plan because we can clean the drain while making a paper bag. Our innovation project is about producing paper bags from bundong tree fiber. As you can see in the function analysis diagram, our main material is bundong fiber. It is softened by water or alkali and then processed physically through pounding, soaking, and pressing. This turns the fiber into pulp, which is then formed into paper and finally made into a paper bag. To make the bag stronger, we can add natural starch as a binder. This diagram shows how each material and process works together to transform bundong fiber into a sustainable product. By replacing wood pulp with bundong fiber, our project creates an eco-friendly alternative to plastic bag that is simple, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly.
In trees, we also use the SU field model to explain how substances and fields interact. S1 is bundong fiber, the main material. S2 is water or alkali, which helps to soften the fiber. F is the physical process, such as pounding, soaking, or pressing, which acts on the fiber to turn it into pulp. To make the pulp stronger, we can add S3, starch, as a natural binder. Finally, the output is a paper bag, which is eco-friendly and replaces plastic bags. This model shows clearly how different substances and processes work together to achieve our innovative product.
In trees, trimming means removing unnecessary or harmful elements while keeping the system functional. In our project, we trim three main things. First, we replace large machines with simple manual tools such as wooden molds and hand press. This makes the process cheaper and suitable for students. Second, we remove synthetic chemicals and replace them with natural methods such as hot water or enzyme. Third, we replace artificial dyes with natural coloring from plants like turmeric or pandan leaves. By trimming these elements, our project becomes cheaper, safer, and more eco-friendly while still producing a strong and useful paper bag.
Now, we're going to show you how to make a paper bag from bundong fiber.
Step 1. Collect the bundong fiber. Make sure it's clean so there's no dirt.
Next, soak the bundong in clean water overnight. This helps the fibers break down more easily.
After that, boil the bundong for a few hours. This makes the fibers soft and easier to process.
The next step is to blend the bundong with water. The result looks like paper pulp.
Now, pour the pulp onto a screen frame or fine net. Spread it evenly and let the water drain out.
After that, place the bundong sheet onto a cotton cloth and press it with a flat board so it dries properly.
When it's dry, here it is, a bundong paper sheet.
Now, we cut the paper into the shape of a bag.
Glue the side and fold it into shape. Add small strings if you want handles.
And finally, tada! A paper bag made from bundong fiber.
only eco-friendly, but also a smart way to reuse local plants.
Instead of throwing bundong into the drain and clogging it, let's turn it into something useful. The bundong paper bag is eco-friendly, biodegradable, and made from natural fiber. It reduces pollution and supports recycling. But it's not waterproof and can only carry light to medium items.
The plastic bag is cheap, very strong and waterproof. It's practical for shopping, but it takes hundreds of years to decompose and causes serious pollution to land and ocean.
So, bundong paper bags protect the environment but are less durable, while plastic bags are strong and cheap but harmful to nature.
In conclusion, we must realize that bundong fiber, which is often considered waste, actually has a great value.
With a little creativity, bundong can be processed into paper sheets and then turned into eco-friendly paper bags.
If used widely, bundong paper bag can reduce plastic pollution, boost the local economy, and make Lundu a modern green town.
Clearly, bundong is not a trash.
But a valuable resource for our future.
Let's support bundong paper bag for a cleaner and more sustainable planet.
Bundong is